just a bit of info for you about the yarn I used for this top. It's going to be a long sleeve top, possibly 3/4 sleeve. It's got a, I just make things up as I go along. It's got a square neckline, so I'll just see whatever looks good. So what I used was this one. I think it's Kaboo. I ordered it from Yarn Me Calm from lovely Andrea in Melbourne. I ordered it last Thursday, and then it arrived the following Monday, so that's great for a keen crocheter like me. Can't wait for my stuff to arrive. It's quite good. It's thicker, a little bit thicker. It's cotton and bamboo, so it's got a lovely sheen to it. You can possibly wear it all year round. Well, in Australia anyway. You can wear a skivvy or a t-shirt underneath and be quite imaginative. When I ordered that particular yarn, I also ordered this from Andrea. It looks 100% soft cotton from Bulgaria. It's got a lovely little heart attached to it. Isn't it gorgeous? It's much thinner, and I'm not really sure how many colours they have, so I would definitely order a white one and maybe try dyeing it different colours. There's so many natural dyes you can use. You can use tea or coffee, beetroot, onion leaves, turmeric, all sorts of things really. There's you can be quite imaginative with natural fibres. So this will be my next project. So yeah, it looks good. Another type of cotton that I use for summer projects, some of the garments, tops and skirts and beachwear, I have used this one previously. It's 100% cotton, but it's much thinner and stronger. It doesn't say that it's mercerized, but actually it feels like it. It feels quite strong, and it is strong. I've used it for bags, placemats, floor mats, and it washes quite well. It's just so durable. But oh dear, don't use it for your shorts and t-shirts, especially if you shorts or skirts or dresses, especially if you're going to sit on spend a lot of time sitting down. Like I used to make my beach dresses and skirts out of this, and by the time I get to the beach, there's quite a pattern in the back of my legs and bottom, because it's quite strong and it kind of makes an imprint on your skin. So that's the only thing. You just got to wait a while till it all goes away, otherwise you look like you're ready to go for a swim. You look like you're covered in dimples. Just a little bit of fun factor that I've learned, but it's great for lots of other things. It's just so durable, so strong. So there's lots of natural fibres out there, so I just thought I'd share that little bit of information with you. And that's it. Until next time.